As you know, we're digital nomads, which means we can take our business and work from anywhere in the world.
We became digital nomads during the pandemic. We were working from home. I'd been working from home for 5 or 6 years, so it was normal for me. But Sara, being a lawyer, was generally in the office, but during the pandemic, she was working from home. And we thought, well, why are we staying at home, both in our separate offices and just kind of drinking our dinner for 30 minutes before going to bed? And so we thought, you know what, we need to make a lifestyle change. Finally, we achieved it. Sara joined me in my DevRel as a service company, and we decided, well, we could do this from anywhere. So we went to do 3 months in Portugal as a tester. Sara being from Portugal, it was a bit easier. We absolutely loved it. We started reducing a lot of things we had that we bought, basically dumb shit we didn't need. And we thought, right, we could go further. So we went to Bali for 6 months, and then we realized this is what we want to do.
Now we're going to get to work. Eddie, what do you do?
I'm doing GitHub notifications, and then I want to get onto forms for the Link3 project. I'm super excited.
And I am editing our latest vlog.
And since then, we've also done a few more months in Portugal, a few months in England to visit my family and for tax reasons. And then we've done 6 months in Thailand. But in Thailand, we definitely jumped around a lot, maybe a bit too much, but we're trying to explore different islands for our next visit next winter. The pros, it's amazing. You get to meet awesome people. You get to live in a country that has good weather all the time, great food. And I think you get that work-life balance. You really focus for maybe 2 hours, then you might go for a swim in the pool or the beach, have a break, have some lunch, and then come back and refocus again. So you're not necessarily trying to work long hours, you're trying to work good hours. And I think that is really important. Those breaks really help. And also when you have those breaks that are very different to your routine, you get really creative. And we've just had so many creative ideas from doing that. On my YouTube, open source. We even started documenting our journey in another YouTube channel. So Sara's got into video editing. She absolutely loves that. Some of the cons, flying is tiring. It is really, really exhausting, but it's worth it once you get there. So as long as you can kind of power through, you need to plan ahead a lot, I think, as well. And that, again, that's where Sara's superpower comes out. Being a lawyer, she plans everything and makes sure all the visas are done and everything goes very smoothly. And I couldn't do that without Sara.
We really like this particular working space because it's right on the beach.
When you're traveling as a digital nomad, there's so many places you can work. You can work in the place you're staying, you can go to a co-working space or dedicated office. There's different things that you can do. And I do all three because it depends what I'm working on. If I'm recording a YouTube video, I will do it probably at home with my studio set up, record the video. If I'm doing some really deep focused coding, I'll probably do it at home. If I want to do something creative, then I'll probably go to a co-working space because I just feel that vibe just allows me to be more creative. When we do our monthly business creative meetings, we usually do it without any tech, maybe pen and paper just to make some notes, and we'll do it in a pool or on a beach, just really away from the norm. And so therefore we can really get those creative juices flowing, and we come up with so many great ideas. We can't do all of them. We've picked up a few, and then we share those ideas with the community in the GitHub discussion, and they share their thoughts and threads. And again, it becomes this whole momentum of just making improvements to what we're doing, where we're going, what projects we're working on, what clients we're working with, what open source projects we focus on. And it's just great to include the community in our adventures as well.